It's Marcus, project manager for Modern Roofing. We're at 555 Flagstone Court. Do a repair attempt for Mr. and Mrs. Hollister. We're going to be replacing these 3 shingles right here. Then we're going to have to manipulate all these above it, these 7 above it. Let's go ahead and get this taken care of. Yeah, so we got a good bit of mat transfer over here, going all through there, and then let's look at the back. You can see it's all over here. You can see this is ripping because of the wind damage. So I throw this new 3-tab shingle in here. Laminate is messing this up. This overlapping. There we go. There we go. So go ahead and get a little close up of this over here. So you got bruising around here, all over here. And then some more over here. You got a bit of edge damage right here. And then a little bit more over here.
As you can see that this shingle is starting to seal properly because it is hot on this new shingle, as these above them are not, as well as these are not going to seal properly. Again, this is above the new shingle, starting to seal because it is hot. But we do not think this is going to bring it back to pre-storm conditions and deem this roof unrepairable.